Okay, yeah. I'm playing that. I'm playing. Alright, so
I'm sorry, bro. It was a joke. Okay,
There's a new
it's a joke.
update.
Okay, bro.
oh yeah, Halloween.
Everybody knows. They know me. Knows.
Wait, dude, you laugh. Laugh. Laugh.
I'm gonna just go inside.
What are you laugh?
Bro, who wants
So I'm gonna start this.
the smoke now? Who wants the smoke? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, look.
Yeah.
Buddy. Buddy, look. Hey, you.
Right, let's go.
Get over here.
Let's- What? What the? Have to wait.
How do I get?
What the hell? What the? Oh, maybe it's my time. Wait, what? Oh my god! Wait.
I don't know how to get candy.
Oh my
Hey,
god!
you go knock on the door.
Bro, who just killed me?
Phone me. Phone me.
Your mom. She sat on you.
Alright, that's it. I'm recording it. Should I actually be putting guys? Should I? Should I? Oh, my time to shine.
I
So
died.
now I know how to do it.
I got it now.
Wait, does this game mode people's name or something? Like, do you have to like get it? Or you see, like,
Taking a drink right now. There's no candy.
so this. Hey, where's my chocolate, bro? Hey, where's my chocolate? Oh, where's my chocolate? Somebody stole my chocolate. Chocolate. Should I go to this? What? It doesn't have nothing.
I'm stacked. I'm stacked. Run!
What was that? What the hell was that? Wait, Wait, no, that's mine. That's mine. This is mine. Oh my god, shit!
What is that?
Wait, is that me?
Let's do nice stuff, baby. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go.
You got anything to add?
I called them up.
Just don't rich.
Oh, what?
Look like you're dealing.
What the hell?
I'm gonna sell this.
I just can't. I play this game. So,
Open up a white door.
I'm just a pro. You wanna get lost?
Where was that mask? It's overload.
No, this is the demon. Stop it. The demon. Stop it. Doesn't have nothing. Does he even have nothing? What's this house? Oh, this house is useless. This can be good. Oh, wait, what? Halloween City, yes. Oh my god!
Wait, yo, what are we?
Oh, I'm gonna die. No, that's my candy! That's my candy! Oh, somebody give me a candy! Does he even have candy? What? What's this useless house? Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Is that candy? Oh, wait, there's one of the dispenser. Yes! I have one life left. Oh my god. Why am I so left? Oh my, I'm almost there. Oh! That one. Yippee. Oh, go! Go, little me! No.
Wait, what are
Where
you
the
doing?
hell's
this
my
map?
candy?
What are you?
Oh,
What
I
are you doing?
hate this game. What?
What do you do in this map?
Try not to get.
Guys, I only literally just installed this game. That sounds about right. Oh, okay. You want to see something very cool? Watch this. Watch this. Ready?
What the hell? Yo, how do you get mods? How do you get mods?
Welcome.
Bro, I did trick or
Wait, what?
treat.
How did you get mods?
It's in the shop. I also have this. Watch.
Oh, that's Ghost Monkey. Oh yeah, she's kind of scary. How do you get candy? Wow.
What?
How do you get candy? You have to get one of the house. You have to knock on the door and get candy.
There's a skeleton in the house.
Look, I will show you.
Yo, I kind of want to get jump scared.
Follow me, follow me.
Hey, want to get jump scared?
Yes.
Alright.
I know the house that has candy. I know the house that has candy. I know the house that has candy.
This one.
No, don't push that one.
Okay, that's You can go off one, come on.
Oh my god! Just kidding.
I'm sorry for doing what you did. I didn't quit. Oh, I quit.
Well, I'm trying to get out. Kenny! Broccoli! Bro, what the hell? Can you even get it? What the hell is bro? This is a so...
It's a monkey,
Come on. Guys, I got it! I got it! I got broccoli! I got broccoli!
Oh god. Oh god.
We'll truck to this one's house.
Yes, I got a broccoli! Oh, what the...
Man, I thought that guy with the chainsaw was so reliable.
Are you kidding me? Oh, it's dead.
Do you need a basket?
Well, guys,
Hey, listen.
the video finished.